When it comes to enhancing the comfort, efficiency, and aesthetics of your home, few upgrades offer the immediate benefits of high-quality window installations. In a place like Bethesda, where homes experience a range of weather conditions, investing in professional window installation services is an important decision. Choosing experts for the job ensures that the windows are not only installed correctly but also provide long-term value. Below, we explore the top benefits of opting for professional window installation services in Bethesda. Expertise and experience. Professional window installers bring years of expertise and specialized knowledge to the table. They understand the complexities of various window types, materials, and the installation process. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows, stylish custom designs, or replacements for aging windows, skilled professionals can guide you in selecting the best option for your home. Their experience ensures that windows are installed with precision, reducing the risk of issues like drafts, water leaks, or poor insulation. By choosing professionals, you're putting your investment in the hands of those who know exactly how to handle your window installation with the utmost care. Energy efficiency and saving. In a climate like Bethesda's, where both hot summers and cold winters are common, energy efficiency is crucial. Professional installers help ensure that your windows provide optimal insulation, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Well-installed, energy-efficient windows can significantly lower your utility bills, as they prevent heat from escaping during the winter months and block out unwanted heat in the summer. Additionally, professionals can advise on high-performance windows such as double-glazed, low-emissivity, low-E glass windows that further enhance energy efficiency. The long-term savings on energy costs make professional installation a smart financial decision. Improved curb appeal and home value. First impressions matter, and your windows play a major role in how your home is perceived. Professional window installation services in Bethesda ensure that the windows are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Experts can help you select window styles and materials that complement your home's architecture, enhancing its curb appeal. Whether you choose classic wooden frames, modern aluminum, or sleek vinyl, professional installation guarantees a seamless fit and finish, boosting your home's exterior. This can have a significant impact on your home's overall value, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you ever decide to sell. Safety and security. Windows are essential for both natural light and ventilation, but they also play a crucial role in keeping your home safe and secure. Professional installers ensure that your windows are properly fitted with secure locks and safety mechanisms. Poor installation can leave gaps or weaken the structure, making your home more vulnerable to break-ins and other security threats. By opting for professionals, you ensure that your windows are not only functional but also secure, offering you peace of mind for both your family and your possessions. Warranty and long-term protection. When you invest in professional window installation services, you're not just paying for the installation, you're also securing long-term protection for your windows. Reputable installers offer warranties on their work, which means that if any issues arise after installation, you'll have coverage for repairs or replacements. In addition, many window manufacturers also offer warranties on their products, ensuring that your investment is protected for years to come. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially when dealing with such an important aspect of your home's structure. Time-saving and convenience. Window installation is a complex task that requires precision, the right tools, and a significant amount of time. Attempting to install windows yourself can lead to errors, delays, and frustration. Professional window installers save you time and hassle by completing the job quickly and efficiently. With their expertise, they can handle the installation with minimal disruption to your daily life. From removing old windows to sealing new ones, professionals manage the entire process, leaving you with beautifully installed windows and a stress-free experience. Custom solutions for unique needs. Every home in Bethesda is different, and sometimes standard window styles just won't do. Professional window installers are experienced in creating custom solutions for homes with unique architectural features or specific design preferences. Whether it's a historic home with intricate detailing or a modern house with large glass panes, a skilled installer can tailor the window installation to your needs, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Conclusion. Professional window installation services in Bethesda offer a range of benefits that go beyond mere aesthetics. From energy savings to enhanced security and home value, the advantages are clear. By relying on experienced professionals, you not only guarantee the quality of your windows but also enjoy peace of mind knowing that your home is protected, energy efficient, and stylish. Investing in expert window installation is a smart decision that will pay off for years to come.